Hey internets, I'm back. So I'm indoors again of the roof that we're gonna take off. We're gonna take the pop-up out so we can start doing repairs in here. There's a lot that needs done. Up here it's rusted out and needs patchwork. That's the ceiling right there. You can see straight through. And this is all rusted out. So yeah, I'm gonna make use of the winter and take care of that. We have the design flaw is taken care of. The next steps for this is going to be to get in here and clean out the rust, primer, close it up so it stops rusting to the best of our abilities. But there's the tiny weep holes that are supposed to prevent that from happening. They get plugged up, it gets rusty. It's just a really bad spot. So that's all been welded, but still needs some finishing touches. We gotta cut this extra rust out. And yeah, this floor is still rusty, but that's got some life in it still. Before I take that project on, I wanted to just start. Gotta finish the corner still, weld that new corner on. And I figure while I'm waiting, I'll do some more cleanup and demo on this. And then we'll have to rewire everything because all of the auxiliary was tied in to the lights. Here's all of the components for the water pump and the little kitchen. We got our lines here that go up into the kitchen. That's probably all going to be redone and a new water pump put on the bottom. Water tank need a new water tank underneath as well. And I'm putting more sound deadener up on the walls. I'm using the really thin stuff just to keep what floor space I can. I know it's really a matter of 1/4 inch to 1/8 of an inch, but I'll take what I can get in here because it's a very tiny area. So yeah, this is the project progress. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.